All right, y'all. 6:30 in the morning. It's foggy as hell out. People are honking and ready to go. And I'm about to take off on my second leg and second day of my trip. I have a 2-hour trip up to Gioc Waterfall, which is one that borders China. So hopefully this fog clears and I'm gonna be able to get some pretty wicked drone shots. Stay tuned. It's gonna be a long day, my friends. All right, peace. All right, y'all, so I'm up here on this mountain, the waterfalls are right down there. I'm actually about to get the motorbike and head down there, get a better look. Apparently, you can take a boat to the edge of the falls for like $2. So, you know I'm gonna do that shit. Damn nose ring is always fucked up. Anyways, about to hop back on the bike and head down there and get some up close and personal footage. Hopefully get some drone shots too. This has literally been on my list of like things I've dreamt of doing for years now. Ever since I saw the first picture of it, I have an obsession with waterfalls. So being able to come see this one, I'm fucking blessed. That's all I can say. So we'll hop on the bike. Let's go get a closer look. Peace. All right, y'all, so I just got my tickets. About to, it was 45,000, which is like $2. About to show this guy. Hello. Thank you very much. Oh. Alright, let's go check out this fucking waterfall, son. This shit is crazy looking. Shit, son. I gotta duck down a lot, because these motherfuckers aren't that tall. Alright, here we go. Da-na-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na. Yo, you guys have no idea. This is absolutely fucking incredible. I'm gonna call it Gioc. It's B-A-N-G-I-O-C. I know that doesn't spell Gioc, but that's besides the point. I'm gonna have you guys check this shit out real quick. This is just like the first level, the very first series. There's some more over there, but check this one out. Yo, I mean, seriously, would you guys just look at this? Freaking look at it. Oh my God, it's so incredible. All right, so this waterfall is actually right on the border of Vietnam and China. So if you take a look over here, you can actually see the border of China. See all those people over there? That is China. I'm about to get on one of those boats and take it right over by the falls. So, very interesting. There's a lot of people over on the Chinese side. A lot of tourists, obviously. There's literally 20 people over here.
I mean it, every part has silver lining. As long as you are still breathing, raise your heart, keep fighting. Even if you drift and fall, look down on that, still stand tall. Believe yourself and keep on running. Don't look back, stay dreaming. Even if you drift and fall, look down on that, still stand tall. Believe yourself and keep on running. Don't look back, stay dreaming.
Okay, so just flew the drone on the first round. Apparently, you're not supposed to fly drones here. The guy was super nice about it. He just told me to bring it down. Unlike the people in Siem Reap, Cambodia, where they're like, you gotta delete the footage, blah, blah, blah. So I might have a few things from Cambodia, but mostly had to delete all the stuff. But I'm just gonna go a little further away from where I'm currently at and fly it again. It's loud enough here where people can't hear the drone flying. So I'm going to try and get a couple of those shots from a little bit further away. I'm actually about to go hop on one of these boats and take it up close to the waterfall. So I definitely got some solid shots of the waterfalls. Obviously you just saw them. Anyways, I'm gonna go hop on one of these boats, get close up to the waterfall, and then go get some lunch. So stay tuned. It's been an awesome fucking day. Peace. Whoop. All right, so I'm on the boat. Not sure how much I have to pay because I haven't paid yet. I think I have to put one of these life jackets on. Not excited about that, but this should be pretty freaking cool. Stay tuned for close-up shots of the waterfall. Okay, so apparently I just paid $100,000 and I'm getting my own boat. So this is freaking fantastic. $100,000 is less than $5. That's a steal, my friends. That's a steal. Nobody on my boat. First time I had to use voice Google Translate with the guy. He was trying to tell me I can get a private boat if I want to go see the falls for $100,000. I had no idea what he was saying, so I had him speak into my phone, and it worked pretty well. Really surprising, but it worked. So now, got this whole boat to myself. and I'm gonna go see the falls. Yo, this is so sick. Getting real close to the falls. $5. Can you guys afford that? I fucking think you can. Jesus Christ, I love these experiences. It's about to get a little wet, so woo! You guys, I'm telling you, you can afford the things that I do. It is not out of your means. Vietnam is super cheap. Places to stay are super cheap. I can help you find a super cheap ticket. This experience right here, less than $5 US. This is something very few people in their lives get to do, except the Chinese. I think at least half of the Chinese people, that's right, 500 million, do crazy shit like that. But besides them, there's just so many amazing things in this life that you can do. This being one of them. Don't sell yourself short. Life is short. Make sure you do everything you want to before your time is up, all right? Much love, y'all. This is what it's all about, my friends. This is what it's all about. I can't believe I did this. This has been on my bucket list for so long. I am so fucking happy I made the decision to drive 9 hours on a fucking motorbike through the mountains to get to this spot. So fucking blessed. This is awesome. All right, let me grab some water. And head on out. All right, so I just stopped for some food. I just realized I haven't eaten all day and it's almost 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I haven't eaten anything. I haven't drinking anything. Poor decision making, Sean. Anyways, I'm about to eat, like I said, and I've got about a 5-hour ride, I guess, to the next hostel hotel that I'm staying at. I forget where it's at, but yeah, I'm excited. That waterfall was absolutely insane. Those waterfalls, I guess a collection of one, but it was absolutely insane. You must put that on your bucket list. I swear it is so worth it. I have to translate out here through Google Translate. So when you come out to Vietnam, make sure you download the maps offline and make sure you download Vietnamese offline so you can use it when you have no connection, because these people do not speak English out here. Anyways, so like I said, got some awesome drone footage a couple times, even though I wasn't supposed to fly. That's the whole thing about flying a drone. You gotta do it anyways, because those are where the best shots come from. So like I said, 5-hour drive, about to eat some lunch, then gotta fill up, then I'm gonna hit the road. Should get to my place at like 6:15, 6:30 tonight. So full day of adventure. Stay tuned. Day 2 is halfway over. Day 3 coming at you soon. Peace, y'all.